Hey guys, it's Livy and welcome back. So today's video, I thought I'd do an iconic picture that a lot of my friends have seen. And it's that like rainbow eye look that I did like a month ago. And so yeah, I thought I'd show you guys how to do it. Now usually I'd say prep your faces and get ready to go, but my nose is infected, so I can't put makeup on all my face, so I'm just gonna do my eye. But all y'all should do the full face if you plan on going out in public. Do whatever you want. Oh my god. So you're gonna start out by priming your eye. So you're gonna go into this blue, and you're gonna do your crease and like the outer half of your lid. When you have finished with that, you're gonna go into a green and you're gonna blend up the blue. And now you're gonna go into the yellow and you're gonna do the same thing with the green. Sorry if you can hear my brother yelling in the background. So anyway, fun part, we're gonna cut the crease. We're gonna do it about halfway through. So now we're going to go into our yellow, and we're gonna do just the inner corner of the eye. And then we're gonna go into our orange, and we're gonna do the middle. Also, it's okay if you use the same brush for this part because it's all gonna blend together. And now you're gonna go into your hot bright pink, and you guessed it, you're gonna do the outside. And now you're just gonna take a brush and do a couple swipes and it's blended. Now you're gonna go back into your yellow and we're gonna do the bottom lid. So you're gonna go into that yellow and you're gonna do the corner of your eye. And then we're gonna go into our green and we're gonna do the middle part. And now we're gonna go into our blue and we're gonna do the outer part and blend it up with the top blue. And then your lashes and some white pencil liner, and there you go. Yeah, this right here is a look called the one eye. Yeah, gonna get some trends. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you find this easy and simple and doable and easy. And yeah, I'll see you next week. I changed my upload date to Thursdays because I've realized I'm quite the busy bee on Wednesdays. So, thank you for watching. Tune in for next. How the fuck did you go there? Who the fuck did you know there?